Hi, I'm Ariana.
And I'm Lee.
And I'm Kim.
And I'm Ruben.
And this is
Young
and Ratchet, Austin,
Texas.
Hi, my name is Kim. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and people could say I'm bad and bougie, but I get along with everyone until you get on my bad side.
Hi, my name's Ariana. I'm 22. I'm from Austin, Texas. I hate drama, but I'm always in it. But I guess people just can't take it how it is.
Hi, my name is Lee. I'm from New York. I guess I'm gonna enter this house with some bitches that I don't know, but I guess a lot of people don't like me because I'm perfect.
Hey guys, my name is Ruben. I'm 22. I'm from Oakland, California, and I can't wait to get to the house and stir up some motherfucking drama. Ruben Ader, the instigator. Catch me.
Away by her.
Nobody was gonna open the door. You fat bitches. Dude. Let's see how this goes. Do it again.
Let's see what kind of party they have.
Bitch, I ain't open.
Yay! Get closer. Let's party. I don't think they're gonna sit down. That is Ratchet though. Don't touch me.
Cheers.
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 Bro,
What?
who the fuck drunk my Ciroc?
Does it
You're
matter?
drinking.
Yeah.
You're drinking.
No, this bitch drunk my Ciroc.
No, I didn't.
Why did he do that?
I don't know. I guess he's lightweight.
You got some rock on him.
That's so embarrassing. Like, I hope he watches this and I hope he's a change. Cause that was just so mean. And you're a girl, actually.
Yes,
So.
he's so stupid.
I don't know.
Oh, but just wait till I see him. Like,
What are you gonna do?
I'm not even gonna say. It's just gonna happen.